All right, second grade, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everyone, good morning, second grade. Happy Catch-Up Friday, everyone. It's so exciting that we have made it to Friday. So congratulations. You have all done such a great job. Keep up the excellent effort. We don't have much more time left with remote learning, so keep the momentum up and we'll keep trucking. So let's take a peek at what we need to get done for today. You found my video right here. Very good. We have a morning meeting at 9 o'clock, which is share time, so make sure you find something that you'd like to share with everybody else. Then 2 hours after, we have a movie at 11 o'clock. Make sure you find somewhere comfortable to watch this, if it's on a porch or if it's in the living room, wherever. Please feel free to join us at 11 o'clock for a movie. What you need to get done before the movie is any missing work that you may have missed through the week. So, look up in the classwork tab. Go to view your work, and if it's there, it says missing and it's red, then that means that's something that you need to finish and do, okay? If you see that it's got a check mark, or if there's a grade in there, we'll see if a student has a grade, yeah, like this, or if it's turned in, then you're all set. If it says turned in, it just means it hasn't been graded yet. If you've got a grade, it means it's graded, you're all set to go. If it's missing, gotta do it. There might be some things in here that say assigned. That means that you just haven't turned it in yet. So like the Wednesday and Thursday making a graph, I had that due today. So make sure you turn that in for today. Or things like Tuesday art means you haven't turned in your art yet. So make sure you're going in and turning those things in. One other thing, or two other things. This is our movie vote right here. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, I can't see because I gotta vote first. So make sure you go in here and you vote before 11 o'clock so I can make the choice on Disney Plus for us. And the only other new thing for today is in the special tab for music. So make sure you are checking that out. Down here, Mr. Corcoran has a whole document for us filled with song links and challenges. Make sure you are trying them out. And he said, can you build your own instrument? And I know for a fact some of you actually built an instrument this week, so make sure you are sharing that with Mr. Corcoran. I think that'd be really cool. All right, everyone, that's what I've got for today. I look forward to seeing you all at 9 o'clock for our morning meeting, and then again at 11 o'clock for our Movie Friday. All right, everyone, see you in a little bit.